In this video, I will demonstrate how to complete Section 3 of the Future Focus Plan assignment. Once again, you will need to locate your saved form that you submitted for Sections 1 and 2. For this portion of the assignment, you will design a plan for completing your degree to graduation. This is just a plan. You are not locked into it, but this assignment will help you to determine what your semesters will look like here at Jeffco. Now that you have your degree or certificate plan, you will also need the course catalog. You can find this on the home page by scrolling over Academics and clicking on College Catalog. Once on this page, you will need to scroll down and click on the year of your freshman year at Jeffco. The first part of this book is important information about the college, so you may want to return to it later and read through this information. But for this assignment, we will be using the second portion of this book. In this second half of the course catalog, you will find the course descriptions of all the courses and classes offered at Jeffco. You will see each course listed in alphabetical order with 3 letters, 3 numbers. This is the course number. Art Appreciation, or the course title, and the number of credits the course is worth. Underneath that title, you will find the prereqs and coreqs. This is all the information you're going to need for the Future Focus Plan. This is the course number, the course title, number of credit hours, and prereqs. So once you have the course description catalog, you'll need to go back to your form and begin to fill it out. If you have transfer credits or dual credits, you will need to complete the first box. If not, keep scrolling down. The next box is an example semester. So for each box represents a semester on the courses that you will take that semester. So looking at your degree plan, you will need to determine what courses and classes you want to take. So for fall of 2021, these may be the courses that you would take. And you can see here's the course number, the course title, the prereqs, and the credit hours, all that were found there in the course catalog. The degree requirement met column is explained in the degree certificate video that I demonstrated earlier. For each semester, you should label it fall, spring, summer, and list the courses that you will want to take and need to complete your degree. Fill in each box, as many as necessary. You may use all of the boxes, you may not use all of the boxes, however many semesters you will need to complete your degree plan. Having all of the boxes completed with the correct information in each of the columns will constitute good faith effort. Be sure that you have the correct number of credit hours at the end of the boxes. So if you are earning an Associate of Arts degree, be sure you have a total of 62 credit hours. Once you have completed the degree plan with the correct number of credit hours, that will be your rough draft that you will submit to your instructor. They will sign the form if it is completed with good faith effort, and that will be what you will take to your advisor, who will look over your plan to be sure you're not missing any credits. Again, if you have any questions about this assignment, be sure to contact your instructor.